Alright, look, just want to show y'all a little, I'm not going to call it training, but just something to do when you first register with Prize Rebel. It's just going to help you make sure you get your money every single day. I'm already registered, so I'm just going to sign in real quick. Somebody else just signed in. $5. Get that money. Alright, I got $3.27 in here. I'm silver. I'll cash out 5 this afternoon. And then tonight, I'll go on ahead and go to gold. But the first thing you do after you register, go down here and download the extension. See, mine's up here in the top corner. Get that extension. After you do that, go on ahead, click on either Engage TV or this one. I mean, it depends on which one. I don't know if you like Internet Explorer. Well, I guess technically you would need Chrome because you got to do that extension. So either one of these, which one that you prefer. Um, After you do that, let the videos run in the background. Come down here and just open you up a new window. You know what I mean? And then come back here and then jump on your surveys. Very first surveys you do, your surveys. These is for you. Make sure to put true, accurate information in your profile so your surveys will fit you. 77 cent, 44 cent, 73 cent, 58 cent, $2.31. What's that? 110, 120, 20. That's $5 right there. After you knock out all your surveys for your surveys, go on ahead and jump over to tap surveys. 23 cent, 41 cent, $1.26, $1.22, $1.06. That's $5 right there. Then you go hit up Peanut Labs. These are my top 3 I would recommend doing first. That's all I'm saying. And then you can go check out Say So Rewards. Go to your golds. The Op World. I think each one of those is 50 cents. What we got? 33, 33, 33, 33. That's like $1. That's like $1. So you got a couple bucks here. You know what I mean? Knock out your surveys. But then once you hit here, you start doing offers. That's what you choose to do. You can go and download games. If that's what you choose to do. You can go, I mean, there's so much money to be made. The only thing and the only reason I'm making this video is to say this. Do it every day and you can cash out every day. That's it. Do it every day. Stay consistent with it. It's free money. Why not? There's no reason to say that you're broke. And on that note, I'm out. The Pod Squad.